Hey, what is up guys, Jobs here. Today I'm going to show you how to make HTML websites using Notepad. This is very simple, doesn't require a lot of work. It requires quite a lot of typing, but if you're lazy like me, you can just you can figure out how to copy and paste and just do that. Then, excuse me, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how to. I'm not actually going to type it all up. I've done it already. I've got my images and the the Arnold. 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 Sorry, I love Arnold. But I've got them in my little folder on my desktop, web. So you know, just so I can keep it all in the same place. So it's not all over the desktop. Don't need that. Sorry. So every image I'm going to use on my website, I keep them in an images folder just so I can get them more easily. So as you can see, I've got two. I've got drip dot and index. Index is used for, it's like when you upload a website to the internet, it looks for index, because index would be like sort of like the main page. So you would want that, make that your main page, and then drip dot is just like another page. So I have a link from that page to that page, that page to that page, so on, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Anyway, so if I go ahead and right click and open with Notepad, as you can see, there's actually not a lot of codes. The ones I've been, there's a couple I've been, sorry. Well, you see, I go to school and we learn this at school and all that, and we have to do this. This is this is just homework. But yeah, so you have to, you should see it's like you scroll down like a minute and it's just code after code after code. It's just so much. But yeah, it's very cool. So as you can see, so what you first have to do is start with so the arrow, HTML arrow. Sorry, I'm not just going to call them arrows. And then just put a few spaces down and have HTML there. Then what you're going to do is, if you want a background color, you just write this one, that one, body, BG color, and whatever color. There's also specific hex codes or RGB codes if you want to be really specific. Specific. And then I've got heading 1, which will be the main heading. What I actually will do is I'll center that part so it just looks a bit better. So if I just close it, so this right here, when you put the slash in front of it, it just means it's closing it. So only this will be in the center, not everything. So what I should do though is put this in the center and then close it, because I think that ruins it, but whatever. So save it. So yeah, so center just means you're putting something in the center. Paragraph, that's, or P stands for paragraph, sorry. You just write whatever. So welcome to my website. I could literally write a whole paragraph or whatever. And then right here, ahref equals, and then comma, then a link, font color, whatever that. So the ahref is used for links. So if I wanted to take a link to my YouTube channel, as you can see here, and then normally what you do is you don't use this. So let's just get rid of that quickly. So normally you just write a title, so I might write my YouTube channel, whatever. Might write that, but instead what I've done is, don't know why it went down there, that's just weird. But what I've done is done font color, so I changed the font to yellow, because normally when you have a link it's blue, so see, background's blue, so I made the font color yellow, so that's for font color. And then you just close it off with the A for the start. Put images on the website, you use this one, image space, or img, sorry, space src equals quotation mark images slash, and then, okay, sorry. So, yeah, so this is the code, and then those close it off, whatever, but in the quotation marks, it's images slash arnold.jpg. So as you can see, so images is the folder, backslash, so you can get into here, and then Arnold. I've named this Arnold.jpg. Don't know why it doesn't come up or whatever. But yeah, so JPG is just a file. So yeah, so now if now down here is another link one to my drip.html, which is this one. So when you've got pretty much what you want, you should be saving it regularly. But when you save it, you just go. So when you save it as go to make sure you're on all files. You always have to be on all files. Just call it whatever you want. So index, so for the first one, and then write .html, and then that will save it as one of these. See, as you see, Chrome HTML documents. So yeah. So now if I close that down, if I just save it, then if I open the drip dot one, you'll see what I've done is I've just saved it again, but then just changed it around, alternate site, you know, just so. Now if I go ahead and open these, you will see, oh look at that! Look at it, so these two are in the center, the Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold, Arnold, yo! I'm sorry. I just love Arnold, but yeah, so as you can see, since it's blue, this is all yellow to just make it stand out. That's yellow, so as you can see, if I click on this, it does take me to my YouTube channel. Look at that, that's so cool. If I click on this, it takes me to my alternate page. My other drip.1, see, alternate site, see, alternate site, homepage, alternate site, homepage, alternate site, homepage, you know, pretty cool. That's pretty much just the basics. If you, yeah. If you want to check out some more codes, just go to this website right here, w3schools.com. They've got really good tutorials, so HTML tutorials, CSS, whatever. I don't know what these are. I know what that is, but I don't know what all the other ones are. But they've got tutorials for HTML. You can click on all these. So say you don't want to put a table in, you can go ahead, you can copy that, put it in, put whatever results you want in it, and yeah, I could look at videos, see how to put videos in. You know, it's very good. I like this. This is very interesting. Colors. So this is what I mean. These are hex colors. Like the hashtag YOLO swag, no jokes, like hashtag, and then like codes, like different codes for colors, and yeah, so make sure to check this website out. This will be in the description down below, or you can just search out w3schools.com. It will come up. It should be the first one. It should always come up. Let's just test it. Schools. Look at that, W3 Schools. Look at that, boom, right there. Takes you to it. Tutorials. Anyway, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this tutorial was really good for you. Yeah, so make sure to check out W3 Schools if you want to check anything else out. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe. See you guys later. Peace out.